Did you know Windows has a hidden performance mode that most people never even see? It's called Ultimate Performance, and Microsoft originally created it for powerful workstation computers. But on many Windows 11 PCs, you can unlock it with just one command. This power plan is designed to reduce the tiny delays Windows normally introduces to save electricity. Those delays may seem small, but they can contribute to micro-stutters in games, slower response while editing videos, and a PC that simply doesn't feel as responsive as it should. The best part is that you don't need third-party optimization software or risky registry tweaks. In less than a minute, you can unlock this hidden feature using a built-in Windows command. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable it, explain what it really changes behind the scenes, and help you decide whether it's actually worth using on your computer. Many people assume that if they buy a fast processor and install plenty of RAM, Windows automatically uses every bit of available performance. That's not actually how Windows works. By default, most systems use the balanced power plan. Balanced is designed to provide good performance while reducing unnecessary power consumption whenever possible. That means Windows constantly watches your workload. If you're browsing the web, reading documents, or simply waiting for something to happen, Windows tells the processor to lower its clock speed, reduce voltage, and sometimes place idle CPU cores into low-power sleep states. When you suddenly launch a demanding application, those resources have to wake back up before delivering full performance. The transition usually happens quickly, but it isn't instant. Those tiny delays can sometimes show up as slight input lag, inconsistent frame pacing during games, or reduced responsiveness when switching between heavy workloads. Many users try switching to high performance, which certainly helps. However, high performance still allows several power-saving behaviors to remain active. Microsoft created Ultimate Performance to minimize even more of those delays. Let's check whether it's already available. Open the control panel. Select Power Options. Most people will only see Balanced, Power Saver, or High Performance. Ultimate Performance usually isn't listed. That's because it's hidden by default. Fortunately, Windows already contains everything needed to unlock it. The nice thing about this tweak is that it's completely built into Windows. We're not downloading optimization software. We're not editing the registry. We're simply asking Windows to reveal an existing power plan using Microsoft's own PowerCfg utility. Here's how. Click Start and type CMD. When Command Prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Approve the user account control prompt by selecting Yes. Administrator privileges are required because we're adding a system power plan. Now copy the command provided in this video's description. Using copy and paste helps prevent typing mistakes. Paste the command into Command Prompt. Then press Enter. If everything worked correctly, Windows will display a message showing a new Power Scheme GUID followed by the words Ultimate Performance. That's your confirmation that the hidden plan has been successfully added. You can now safely close Command Prompt. The feature is unlocked. Now let's actually turn it on. Unlocking the plan only makes it available. Windows won't automatically switch to it. Return to Control Panel and open Power Options again. If the window was already open, refresh it or expand Show Additional Plans. You should now see Ultimate Performance listed alongside your other power plans. Simply click the radio button beside it. The change happens immediately. No restart is required. From this moment forward, Windows begins using a much more aggressive performance profile designed to minimize power-saving delays. Your processor stays more responsive. Hardware spends less time transitioning between power states, and Windows prioritizes responsiveness over energy savings. Although you won't suddenly gain extra CPU cores or higher clock speeds, the system often feels faster because fewer components are waiting to wake up before doing their work. Let's clear up one common misconception. Ultimate Performance is not an overclock. It doesn't magically increase your processor's maximum speed. Instead, it reduces latency throughout the operating system by relaxing or disabling many power-saving behaviors. For example, processors use different idle states called C states. Balanced mode encourages the CPU to enter deeper sleep states whenever possible. Ultimate performance keeps the processor in a much higher state of readiness. It also minimizes CPU core parking, allowing processor cores to remain available instead of temporarily shutting them down during lighter workloads. Other hardware benefits too. Storage devices remain active longer. USB devices are less likely to enter aggressive power-saving modes. Wireless adapters prioritize performance instead of conserving energy. Individually, each adjustment may seem minor. Together, they create a computer that feels more responsive during demanding workloads. Gamers may notice smoother frame delivery in CPU-heavy titles. Video editors often experience a more responsive editing timeline. Developers compiling large projects can benefit from reduced delays. Content creators working with large media files may also appreciate the increased responsiveness during intensive tasks. Before you enable ultimate performance permanently, there are a few important trade-offs you should understand. First is power consumption. Since Windows allows your hardware to remain active more often, your computer will consume more electricity than it normally would. For desktop users, this usually isn't a major concern. For laptop users, however, it matters much more. Running ultimate performance while on battery can noticeably reduce battery life. That's why I recommend using this mode only when your laptop is plugged into its charger. When you're traveling or working away from an outlet, switching back to balanced is usually the smarter choice. The second consideration is temperature. More active hardware naturally produces more heat. Well-cooled desktop systems generally handle this without difficulty. But thinner laptops or systems with limited cooling may run warmer. If temperatures become too high, the processor can begin thermal throttling, reducing its own speed to protect itself. That removes much of the performance advantage. Ultimately, ultimate performance is best suited for people who regularly perform demanding work. Gamers, video editors, 3D artists, software developers, engineers, or anyone running heavy professional workloads. If your daily routine mainly consists of web browsing, streaming videos, office work, or email, you'll likely notice very little difference. Balanced remains the better everyday option.